Okay, so I'm gonna apologize in advance for the bad audio on my voice. So I'm gonna use Serum to answer your question, how do you create that pad. Basic shapes, we're just gonna go with the square. This is a pretty simple patch. Square, I'll do the same thing over here. Use a square. And really, I could use a narrow pulse, so I'm going to use that an octave up, and we'll add that towards the end. We can add a couple of voices. Matter of fact, I'm going to start it like this and we'll add the voices later. So we're going to go pulse width modulation. I'm just going to grab this shape. I don't want it that deep, so maybe 50%, give or take. And that's going to make this modulate. And you can see we're already getting some movement there. I'm going to slow that down. And if I bypass this, you'll hear that it's kind of stale sounding, but with the pulse width modulation, we get that movement. And we're just going to engage a filter. And I could use a high cut, but I know that, like, just listening to this, I can hear that there's some low end that we don't want. So I'm going to just go, I'll go bandpass. I'm going to go pretty steep. I'll go 24 with the bandpass. And this, we're already kind of getting there. If memory serves, it was kind of dark, so I'm gonna go with that. We'll just finish this out. It's pretty much done at this point. So I add this layer, we get this top in, and right, I should run that through the filter. And I'll add some voices. And there we go. Pretty much, we can top it off, add some chorus if you want. A little bit of that. I'll EQ it. Try to get some of that top end back, make it shine a little bit. And I don't know. We can go wide if we want. Add some distortion maybe. In fact, we could do this. I don't think this is necessary. But I will add some saturation. And really, let's see, I like the towel chorus. I got too much distortion going on, so. But this is easily fixed with rolling off that low end. Darken this up a little bit. And that's it, you know. Pretty sturdy. Alright, I hope this was helpful.